Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with Standard 7, Chapter 7, Introducing to HTML Chapter. इस चैप्टर को हमने पिछले क्लास में डिस्कशन किया था. आज फिर हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव को एक बार देखेंगे. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस इससे पहले कि एक बार इसको रिकैपिंग भी कर लेते हैं कि HTML is the most widely used language to design web content for the internet. Internet is a network of the millions of the computers which are connected to each other to share the information and resources. Two basic HTML are required to work with HTML document. पहला HTML editor for creating and saving the document. दूसरा browsing for viewing the document. ब्राउज करने के लिए और एडिटिंग और क्रिएट करने के लिए. HTML कोड मेड अप द एलिमेंट, टैग एंड एट्रीब्यूट्स. जो भी HTML कोड है वो तीन चीज से बना है: एलिमेंट, टैग एंड एट्रीब्यूट. HTML एलिमेंट दो प्रकार के होता है, एक कंटेनर एलिमेंट और दूसरा एम्प्टी एलिमेंट. कंटेनर एलिमेंट जिसमें बोथ ऑन और ऑफ टैग दोनों होता है और एम्प्टी में सिर्फ ऑन टैग होता है. जनरल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ HTML डॉक्यूमेंट हैज टू सेक्शन. हेड सेक्शन, it contains the title that identify the first part of the HTML document. Second, body section. It is the section where you do must of work. And CSS is a style sheet that provide the set of the style rules for defining the layout of HTML documents. You can include the style sheet with the HTML document in three ways: inline method, internal and embedded style sheet method, external style sheet method. HTML allow you to set the background style of the element with the background properties. Now fill in the blanks. Hypertext is the piece of the ordinary text that has been exposed up with the special features of linking to other document or web page. Web browser are used to view the HTML document in HTML5. Canvas features help in drawing image directly in the web page. Container element include both on and off tag. Line break element split the line and display the text on a new lines. Now true false. HTML5 came into existence around 2008 is the true. Tag and attribute names are the case sensitive is the false. Properties define how different elements look on the web page is the true. With inline method, the effect get applied to all the element of the web page is the false. You can add image in the background of the web page with the help of the picture tag is the false. MCQ. HTML is an improved version of HGML. Maya is a web editor. The HR tag draw a horizontal line across the web page. The CSS provide the set of style rules of the defining the layout of HTML document. A property and its value is collectively known as declaration. The background positions help us in placing the picture or image as the desired place on the HTML document. These are the objective questions of the chapter 7. Next class I will continue the question answer of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.